Bonjour. So very good morning to all of you students. So today I am going to tell you a grammar portion of lesson number 9. Okay, that is ma maison. Alright. So as I have already shared one video related to the vocabulary of house. Okay. Now in this video I will be telling you the very important topic of grammar, that is les adjective possessive. Okay, les adjective possessive means the adjective possessive or the possessive adjective. What are the possessive adjectives? When we want to say for example, this is a book. Okay, so this book is belonging to me. Okay, or this book is belonging to you. So the belonging means the object possession. Okay, who is possessing the particular object. Okay, so this is the main criteria. Okay, main reason behind this possessive adjective. For example, my, your, his, her, are, their. Okay, these all are possessive adjectives in English. Now how do we say in French? Again there is a division in singular and plural, masculine singular, feminine singular and plural. So in every position, for example, if I am talking about my, so in English my is the only word for singular masculine, singular feminine and plural. Okay, for example, my mother, my father, my parents. So we are using my for all these three categories. But in French, these are different. Okay, so how do we use my for feminine singular, for masculine singular and for plural group of person? Okay, so this you will find out in page number 102 of your book. Okay, there is a nice table. So I have just made a half of it. Half table is related to the examples, so I have not written examples here, and there are some points to remember about these possessive adjective or the adjective possessive. Okay, so you have to do that. So let's begin. Okay, so I have created a table where I have written a number. So there are total 8 possessors. Okay, 8 pronouns we can say, and then masculine singular, feminine singular and plural adjective possessive. Okay. Now with je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, these all are the pronouns as you already know. So what will be the possessor for je? It will be my. Okay. With tu it will be your, il, his, elle, her, nous, our, vous, your. Okay. Il, their and elle, their. Fine. Now, if we are talking about my, so for masculine singular person, you will use mon. Mon, my father will be mon père. Mon père. Okay. Then ma for feminine singular, so ma mère. My mother. My mother, ma mère. For feminine person, you will use ma. And mes for plural, so my parents will be mes parents. Mes parents. So this is clear? Mon, ma, me. Similarly, if we are talking about your, so if I am talking about your father, your mother, your parents, so it will be ton, ta, te. Ton père, ta mère, tes parents. Okay? Similarly, his or her, so son, sa, se for his and son, sa, se for elle. It means for his or her both are same. So his father will be son père, his mother will be sa mère and his parents will be ses parents. Similarly, her father is son père, her mother will be sa mère and her parents will be ses parents. Okay. Similarly, next one is nous, our. We say notre, notre, no. So for masculine and feminine both are same, notre, notre. So notre père et notre mère. It's same. But here for plural it will be no. NOS, no. So nos parents, your or our parents. Sorry, not your. It will be our parents, nos parents. Okay. Then votre, votre, vos for your, So we use this for the elder person or the group of people. Okay, you all. Okay, so votre père, votre mère, and vos parents. Then they masculine. This is for masculine group of people. Il, their. Okay, so their leur père, leur mère, et leur parents. But here we are adding s. Similarly, here for the feminine thing, leur, and leur. So this is the table, that how you will learn this table. It's very easy. Just make this table and do it like this. Mo, ma, me, ton, ta, te, son, sa, se, notre, no, votre, vo, leur, and you will learn this table thoroughly. Okay. Now there are some things that you have to remember about these adjective possessive. What are they? Number one, possessive adjectives are used to denote one's position. That I have already told you that this chalk is belonging to me. Okay, so there should be an object or there should be a noun that should belongs to someone. Okay, so the authority of having it. Okay, one's possession, किसी का हक होना. Okay, उस चीज पे. So possessive adjective उस चीज को denote करता है. Okay, my book, it means that book is belonging to me. Okay, so mon livre is my book. Next one, this is the most important thing. Children do a lot of mistake in this point. Okay, so you have to very careful. The feminine singular form. Okay, that is ma, ta, se. I'm talking about only these first four things, singular. Okay, je, tu, il, elle. This is ma, ta, sa, and sa. Okay, the feminine singular form ma, ta, sa becomes mon, ton, son before a vowel. It means if a word, if a noun that is a feminine singular and starting from a vowel, for example, étudiante, okay, école, my school, école, and ami, that is a girl, A-M-I-E, ami, okay. These all are the feminine words and starting from a vowel, okay. So in that case, you will not use feminine singular adjective possessive. In that case, you will use masculine singular adjective. For example, mon ami, my friend. Here E is there, it means we are talking about a girl. Okay, so it will be not ma ami, ta ami, sa ami. No, it will be mon ami, ton ami, et son ami. Similarly, school, if we are talking about my school, so school is a feminine word starting from E, so that will be mon école, ton école, son école. Not will be man école, tan école, and san. Okay, all right. Now the possessive adjective is repeated after each noun even in the same sentence. Okay, if in a sentence there is a normal sentence, proper sentence, so you have to use the adjective possessive again and again. Okay, you have to repeat it. For example, mes frères et mes sœurs, my brothers and my sisters. So you will not write single time like my brothers and sisters. No, you will write my brothers and my sisters. Okay, and the last one is the possessive adjective agrees with the object possessed. This is related to first point only, that I told you that it showed the belongingness of a particular object or a noun. Okay, so my robe, it means robe is possessed by me. Dress is possessed by me. Okay, it belongs to me. So this first and fourth point are almost same. So I hope children this is clear to you. Just go through your book, page number 102, and revise it once again. In the next Zoom class, we will discuss and we will do some exercises related to adjective possessive. Merci.